In this video, we're going to prototype this contact modal for your Figma prototypes. So here we are in my Figma project, and what I want to set up is that when the person viewing the prototype clicks on the contact button, I want to open up this modal so that the user can interact with our prototype. So the first thing I do is I'm going to zoom in to my nav bar and select this contact button. So with this contact button selected, I'm going to go up to prototype and I'm going to set up an on-click interaction. So with interactions, I'm going to click on the plus and I'm going to say on click. And the action I want to set up is I want to open overlay. And the overlay I want to open is that contact modal. So with the drop down, I can select my contact modal. I want it to be centered on the screen. I want the user to close the modal when clicking outside. And I'm going to add in a background. And for my background, I'm just going to use the same navy blue that I'm using for my buttons. And I'll just turn down the opacity. And I'll bring down the opacity to about 75%. I close this. And with the animation, I wanted to move in. And when you select move in, we have 4 options. We can have it start on the right and move in to the left. We can have it start on the left and move right. We can have it start from the top and move down, but I want this to start from the bottom and move up. So I'm going to select this last option, which says up. And then we can select our Bezier curve. And we have several options here, but when it comes to these modals, I like using the custom Bezier. And then I like going to this website, easings.net. And when it comes to time to move into Webflow, I like using ease out court. So I can select ease out court. And I can copy these Bezier numbers here. And with these values selected, I can go back into my Figma project and paste them in here. And for the duration, I'll set this to be 800 milliseconds. I can close. And now that we've set up our initial, we have to configure the close animation. So I'll move to my modal and I'll select this close icon. I'll go up and I'll set up another on-click interaction. And this time our action is going to be close overlay. I can close out of this, go back to design, I can select my home page, and we can preview.